We bought this house for £1 million and we're going to be selling it for £1.8 million within 6 months. Let me show you what we're going to do. Just walking inside, and what we originally had here was 2 reception rooms, a kitchen, a further dining room at the back, which then led onto a garden. And immediately what we're going to do is we're going to be creating a double reception room through here. I'm just literally going to do a walkthrough today. There's going to be no editing, so let's just take a look. So this will be our double reception room, and then that window there allows us to do a side return, which is called a tunnel back extension, which has already been approved. So that's going to be completed. And then as we walk through here, we go back into the back of the house and we have a dining room, which then leads on to a garden, which is all being cleared. And then this structure at the back here is a garage. And then the garage is already being demolished, as we can see. Let's take a look at it from the back and show you. So another benefit for this house is there's a side entrance here at the back, which allows us to have cars parked here. And then all of these houses at the back, which is quite unusual for central London, have also got a car space here. So very cleverly, what we're going to do is we're going to square this off, and then here we'll have a entrance for a car which will be open, and then that area there will be a space for a car, and it will have an electric point as well, so it's a little bit more in keeping with modern times. And then you can double up and use it as a garden or a space if you require. Another benefit would be the front of the house also allows for a resident parking permit as well. All of this side here is an extension value add, and we'll have a nice glass roof here. It will be a very, very lumpy property. Walking upstairs, before we do that, imagine the front door right there. All of this is all opened up as a big extended kitchen diner, which then leads on to this double reception room. It's going to be completely humongous in terms of the size, and a great family home. Lots of period features. We've got some nice stained glass. We're going to have some nice coving. And then as we go upstairs, all of these stairs gets changed. And then as we go upstairs, everything has already been, opened up as well. These guys, the teams here are super fast. We used to have 2 bedrooms here. We used to have a bathroom in here, and all the partitions are out now. All the ceilings are out. We're going to be going into the loft upstairs, creating a double dormer, which gives us another 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. That chimney breast comes out, this chimney breast comes out, and we'll retain the ones that are in the front of the house. As we go into the front, we have a very nice double bedroom here, which is the master bedroom that also has a balcony behind me. We'll have a connecting walk-in wardrobe there, and a ensuite here, which is a master bedroom. We'll have a study, a further bedroom at the back. In between, sandwiched there, we'll have a bathroom, and then upstairs here we're going to have a staircase that will take us to 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So great project. This one here, we're going to be looking at 22 weeks. Once again, let's just go into this room, look at the garden, and we're going to ideally follow this from start to finish and see how we perform, and then based on the market, see how fast this property sells. And the key is high quality design and build, where it has to be the best house in the market, and the second thing is speed. And the buyer profile here is going to be owner-occupiers that have sold something, so they're cash rich, a high deposit, low finance, and they look at the macro picture when it comes to interest rates, and they remain unaffected.